Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this important problem. We have to find out integral of 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx. This problem can be solved in more than one method. We will be picking one of the method in which we will substitute either x plus 1 by x equal to another variable or x minus 1 by x equal to another variable. So let's go ahead and look at the problem. The first step we will write it as integral of dx we have. Now if you want to write either x plus 1 by x equal to another variable or x minus 1 by x equal to another variable, when you differentiate you need to have 1 by x square, but in the numerator part we don't have anything, so let's divide with x square both numerator and denominator. So this will become x square plus 1 by x square. Now if I take x plus 1 by x equal to t, what will happen? Let us see. X plus 1 by x equal to t will give you 1 minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. Similarly, suppose I take x minus 1 by x equal to u, I will have 1 plus 1 by x square dx equal to du. So in this case, if I take the first one, I have to again add and subtract 1 for any one of them. I have only 1 by x square, but I need to add 1 and subtract 1. That means it makes it more complicated. So what we will do, we will divide this 2 and multiply with 2 and make it as 2 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. And for this 2 by x square, what we will do, we will write it in such a way, because we have, if you observe here, we have x square plus 1 by x square. This is like a square plus b square. A square plus b square is present in a minus b whole square, also a plus b whole square. That means I can write down one time as x plus 1 by x and one time as x minus 1 by x, separating this into two different terms. Then if I add these two, I will be getting my 2 by x square. So what I will do now, so I'll write it as 1 plus 1 by x square. That will take care of the part where x minus 1 by x if I take it. Then I have to subtract that with 1 minus 1 by x square, so that 1 and 1 get cancelled and 2 by x square will be intact. So this step will become now x square, denominator will be as it is. Now let's go to the next step. That's equal to, we can write it as 1 by 2 integral 1 plus 1 by x square dx divided by x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 integral of 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. Now we have to get 1 plus 1 plus 1 by x square in numerator. That means denominator should be taken as x minus 1 by x. So we'll write it as, in the next step, the numerator part will remain as the same, 1 plus 1 by x square dx. Now to get that, what will be my variable? That should be x minus 1 by x. So this should be x minus 1 by x whole square. Then only I can get 1 plus 1 by x square as my derivative. Now what I need to add here so that I can get again 1 back. What is x minus 1 by x whole square? X square plus 1 by x square minus 2. But what we need is plus 1. We have minus 2 coming out, so that means we have to add 3 again back. So can I write it as root 3 whole square? So that will take care of x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 plus 3, that's equal to plus 1. So that is taken care and it is coming into our standard form. Let's look at the next one. Again we know that the numerator part will remain as it is, 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by, now we know that we have to take x plus 1 by x whole square this will become, because a square plus b square now is present in a plus b whole square. Now what happens when you expand this? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2. What we want is 1, what we are getting is 2. That means we have to subtract back again 1. Can I write it as 1 square? Now you can see that these two are into, if you substitute them as t and u respectively, you see that these are in standard form. That means easily you can solve this problem moving forward. So let's try to close it fast now. In the next step, we'll substitute the variables. Since it's a highlighted step, I'm just putting in another color. We take x minus 1 by x equal to t. So this guy will become now t square plus root 3 whole square in denominator, and the numerator will become dt. Similarly, you have minus half 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Oh, we have taken x minus 1 by x is u, right? I'll change this. This is du and this is u square plus root 3 square. Okay. Similarly, when you go here, x plus 1 by x equal to t we have taken. So that means t square minus 1 square, and this is equal to dt. Now this is a standard format what we have. So shall we go ahead and finish this? So these are now in the standard formula, so we can go ahead and write them. So my next step will be, I'll write it as integral of 1 by 2. Now a square plus x square derivative integral is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So I'll write down 1 by a is root 3, tan inverse x by a. What is our x here? Our x is x minus 1 by x. So can I write down x minus 1 by x by a, that is equal to root 3. Now let's go to the next one. We have minus half. Now we have formula integral of dx by x square minus a square. So that formula is 1 by 2 into a is 1 here, log of x minus a by x plus a. What is x here? X is x plus 1 by x minus a, that is 1, divided by x plus 1 by x plus 1. So let us simplify that. We will have 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse x square minus 1 divided by root 3x minus 1 by 4 log of x square minus x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1. You can leave it there, otherwise we can make the log as positive by reversing them. I can write it